Alright, live chart analysis tayo kay Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. 1 hour chart ng Pepperstone sa TradingView platform. Alright, okay, so here we have simple lines. Basically, simple and meaningful lines. Again, this is all Newtonian lines. So ang beta dito is ang ating Newtonian lines, alright? Or ang ating Newtonian trading strategy. Which, by the way, we will have an online course sa Sunday, October 9. All right. So if you want to attend the lecture and the discussion, the online class, message me or si J-Ball, si ating totally awesome moderator, Luis. All right. So here, without further ado, this is the same chart na shinare ko dun sa uh, Learn to Earn group natin. So lahat ng subscribers ng Learn to Earn naka-receive nito. And the technical analysis goes like this. Alright, so from number 0 to 1, makikita natin ang napaka bullish movement ng price. Then after it retest or nag-pullback, nag-create ang solid low number 2. And no one is fake, definitely, because number 2 didn't even comes close to number 0. And then 2 becomes solid when it surpassed the previous high, number 1. And dito tayo magkakaroon ng interesting part sa number 3 because number 3 became solid and nung nag-create siya ng low number 4, surpassing low number 2. So this is the first flow shift na na-observe natin because this is the first change of behavior. And makita nyo naman kung paano binalidate ng price yung frequency line na nakita natin connecting number 1 to number 4. And in the future, nung in-extend natin yon, makikita natin yung reversal sa number 6. So makakarating din tayo dyan sa number 6. Wait lang. Alright, so dito, ang ating from number 4, so meron tayong high number 3 and high number 4. So what we did is we extend the line doon sa upper part and doon sa lower part ng frequency kung saan nagkaroon tayo ng intersection doon sa blue line. And this makes the action line. So, kung wala ka pa dito sa area na to, this is the best time to find your range. So, this is the highest, this is the lowest. So, that means yung price is bouncing up dito sa range na to. And then, nung nagkaroon tayo ng lower high, that confirms the downtrend na. Kasi meron na tayo ditong low, ito pala low, and lower low. So meron tayong dalawang 2 lows and 1 dito pala, 1 lower high. And that lower high, may kita nyo dito yung frequency line natin, kung paano niya na-respect intersecting dito sa inward frequency coming out from high number 3. This is the precision you can get kapag tama yung context nyo and yung line is na-anchor nyo. Yun nga, yung line is na-anchor nyo dun sa tamang context and na-deploy nyo yung tamang techniques. And this is the kind of techniques and line works you will learn on the Newtonian trading strategy. I think there is nothing much more precise than this, capturing the reversal on 5.1, 5.2. This is another energy point that make low number 6. So, insane precision talaga. And the fact na yung number 6, by the way, is the reaction line. So, bakit reaction line? Kasi Newtonian trading strategy is about Newton's laws of motion. So, dito, meron tayo ditong third law of motion, Newton's third law of motions na sinusunod, whereas for every action, there's an equal or opposite, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So, kung i-measure nyo yan, itong action line natin, yan, in-extrapolate natin yan pababa to the downside. giving us the equidistant measurement nung line natin. Kaya siya tinawag na Newtonian action line extrapolation technique. So, and kita niyo naman kung gaano niya na ka-precise na capture yung candle wicks almost perfectly dun sa low number 6. Right? Insane precision. And now, price is testing itong uh, low number 4 support into resistance. Whether mabe-break yung price dyan or hindi natin alam. So, probably this is the best time to do a risk collapse kung saan i-adjust natin yung stop loss natin sa break-even price. So, kung matalo man tayo dito, that means it's an opportunity loss. Kasi, sabi nga ng iba, profit na, naging bato pa. Pero it's okay. It's opportunity loss. Mas masaklap kung matatalo ka talaga ng real money. Alright? And now, dito naman sa number 6, nakikita nyo, ito yung kaninang pinroject natin from number 1 to number 4, which extended to the future. Captures the frequency tails dito sa low number 6. And anong ginawa natin? Kinopy natin simple line extrapolation doon sa high 5.2. Okay? So, bakit high 5.2? Kasi ito yung noticeable high after low number 4 and low number 6. So, ito yung pinaka-common high between this low. And kita nyo naman kung paano nyo napoproject yung price dito sa potential high number 7. So, hindi natin alam. Pero, hindi tayo dyan nag-target for two main reason. Why? Kasi, this is an inward frequency line which correlates sa 161.8% Fibonacci ratio, plotting a Fibonacci expansion tools doon sa minor flow, high and low. Makikita niyo yan. Low, high, low. And dito na project yung 161.8 ratio correlating dito sa inward frequency line coming out from number 5.2. Kaya dyan tayo kumuha ng target. So, that will give us a 1 to 3.2 risk-reward ratio, which is pasok na pasok sa ating risk management plan. Stop loss is very logical below number 6. Kasi, yan, price should not have any business on this level. And makita nyo naman, nag-test, pero hindi siya umabot dun sa ating stop loss. And then, bumulusok na rin siya pataas. And right now, yung iba ginagawa nila, nagsisecure na sila ng profit, pero there's a risk on that one. You are risking to have like yung psychological cognitive bias natin na tinatawag na hyperbolic discounting, na makakita ka lang ng profit is isi-secure mo na agad, not going all the way para ma-realize talaga yung target mo based on your trade plan. We have a good reason why we plan our trade so well, so we just don't dump it. The best thing we can do is break even at least, or kung talagang medyo ano kayo, kumuha kayo ng small profit. Pero kasi sa ganitong volatility ng price, pwedeng ma-hit yung stop loss nyo kung i-adjust nyo dito sa profit zone, and then to find out later na pupunta pala yun dun sa original target niya. Anyways, so iba't ibang trader, iba't ibang risk personality and risk appetite. So depende kung paano niya yun iti-take. Alright, so the best thing I can advise you is to stick to the trade plan. Sabi ko nga, ginawa natin tong trade plan natin so well for us to follow and not to break it. Alright? And look, kung saan tayo nag-enter. Nag-enter tayo doon sa second touch, doon sa downsloping support line natin. And yung price action or yung particular candle na nag-pierce na yun is a hybrid bar. This is a fractal bar and also a pressure bar with a lot of buying pressure dito sa candle tails niya, kung makikita nyo. So the combination of both makes a hybrid bar. And this is an inside bar na nag-stop nitong violent red volatile candle natin to the downside. And the price did not close below dito sa ating downsloping support line, which gives us the confirmation to enter the trade and to identify that this is a reversal. Alright? Kaya nandito na tayo. And we did our plan. We did our analysis. We deploy our risk management. The hardest part or the hardest thing to do right now is to wait. So, marami dito or marami sa atin na sometimes, kahit ako, pinagdaanan kayo na I'm not patient enough to see it through. And I learned hard from my mistakes. So, eto na. Pinapractice ko na yung lahat ng natutunan based sa strategy, based sa experience. And ito yung sinishare ko sa inyo ngayon for you to take advantage of. Alright? So, we'll see how this trade will plays out. And hopefully, ma-hit yung target natin. If not, ay move ko na to sa break-even. Yan. Break-even tayo. Yan. So, kung magka-break-even tayo, stop loss natin will have $10. And kapag nanalo naman tayo, meron tayo ditong 330 US dollar. Alright? So, not bad. Uy, bakit minus pa rin? Yan, dito. Minus 10. O, minus 5. Yan, minus $5. Not bad na yung $5. Yan. Break-even price na tayo. Alright? So, we'll see how this trade will plays out. Alright, after a couple of minutes or hours, yan, maganda-ganda ang gising natin. Good morning pala. And yan, target hit tayo and price returns dito sa inward frequency line. And dito, meron din tayo ditong 161.8 Fibonacci ratio. So, tama yung logical target natin. And ayun, maganda yung gising natin. So, dito, titignan natin kung saan tayo pwedeng kumuha ng another trade opportunity based dito sa bagong price action. So, gusto ko lang i-highlight sa inyo na once meron na kayong solid context na nabuo na nagamit nyo, hindi ibig sabihin nun is kapag na-hit nyo yung target or stop loss nyo is i-disregard nyo na yan. So, pwede nyo yun i-tweak or pwede nyo yung i-recalibrate or i-update based sa new price information na meron tayo sa chart para ma-realign nyo lang ulit. Kasi meron na tayong context, so konting adjustments na lang yan. Recalibration para magamit ulit natin to find another opportunity na pwede natin i-take. So, yun lang. And, yun lang.